hardy, hardy, har. My name is Captain Bryn Fishhand, and I've been on this here berg for 20+ years. Now, where's that lowly deckhand? You there, you look lowly.
Sorry, Binnacle, are you talking to me?
There ain't no Brinnacle here, only Captain Bryn Fishhand. I need a spirited shipmate to be my pirate partner.
I need someone to read the other part of this script.
I can't, I'm afraid. When I get sick, then I've got to take this hot eel soup from the Krispy Kreme.